I really love bags, so let's check the durability if tama na. Yan, nadagdagan.
Kasama ko siyang mga freebies.
Hindi durable yung nail ko.
Sundot ka pa.
Wait lang. Yay! Hello mga kabangbang! I'm with my sister and there's Nanay! We are going to the launching of the holiday lineup ng CBTL. So excited na kami mag-coffee and syempre dulong na to nanay si nanay sa iyang destination. Alright, mother! See you tonight! Bye! Yay! We are here! Of course, in front of us is I am hot ni drink akong baon. Kasi sila, that is, it's frap.
I want strong coffee.
Strong coffee.
My upcoming videos, expected that there will be a coffee with my review videos.
Ayun, so nagre-review na. So, kamusta naman ang imong
Parang question lang, cold siya sa akin.
Hindi ko, malayo-layo ka na si mo. We're here together this season for the coffee bean tea leaf. Ayun. We are truly grateful for the opportunity to be together this season. Wishing you all the warmth and joy the season has to offer. Hey, after so many years,
I miss
nakita ka
you.
ulit. Correct.
May miss call.
Oh, hello? Uy, magpati ko gansin mo. Yay! We are now here at the photo booth. Hello po! Here, Sir Anthony. Din kanila, sir, pwede makita in case they want some photo booth man sa ilang mga parties.
Please follow my Facebook page, like Screenshots Iloilo.
Ayun, and the contact list number. Alright, we got our pics. Thank you! Galing, mga behave. Picture lang ha, akin lang. Ay, arik ko to. Tapos ari ko dito, tapos ari ko.
Ate, sana all in all. Sana all.
Yay! So, she tried the double chocolate and matcha. So, which do you like most? Matcha.
Sige.
Alright. Magsa-start na tayo. Alright.
Welcome to the Coffee Bean and Tea Atria. We would like to thank everyone who's here for our intimate event for our special community in Iloilo. It's the tail end of October and we can already feel the Christmas spirit It's also starting to get nice and cool. Perfect season to share warm cups together with you, our community. We found the photo cards already during the pre-program activity, and for those who haven't, find one to get one. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. Once you found that both photo cards, keep it with you and hold later at the redemption area. You will win what's on the picture.
What's on the picture? Oh! My God! What's that? Bag! Uy! Pagkayos ako sa bag! Thank you so much, CBTL fam! Ang bag, please, bag! I'm calling you. Bye! Yung kasama ko.
Lahat.
I think this is a raffle. So I will get the bag. I claim it. I will claim it.
Cookie Ice Blended Series and Double Chocolate Cookie. Ayan, so it's a rich dark chocolate mixed blended with milk and ice, mixed with dark crushed cookies available with or without coffee. Next is your matcha cookie ice blended. This is for all the matcha lovers here. It has earthy,
Wow, matcha!
salty, sweet, and creamy ice blended, mixed with dark crushed cookies. Cookie Ice Blended. It's a classic blend for delicious coffee and our French Deluxe Vanilla mixed with dark crushed cookies available with or without coffee. So same sa first 2 drinks kanina. If you don't like coffee, you can just ask our team member to have it without coffee. Out of the 3 drinks, ano yung pinaka-excited kang tikman?
I think the chocolate.
I'm a big fan of matcha.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Pero mas excited ako sa mocha cake. Dahil hindi to aking cake, sorry ka na lang. Because I have to taste it.
Okay.
What we have is the mocha cake. It's a chocolate chiffon cake with mocha frosting, filled with mocha buttercream, salted caramel, and crushed cookies.
Iyan, galing.
Ako ng feeling guys na nakalibre lang. Sila pa muna makakain.
Lamat, lamat. Vanilla, lagi ko yan. Tapos, namit. Hindi siya muna ako tamis. Perfect siya sa aton nga hot coffee.
Ang pinggan, palihog lang. Ano man. Sorry.
Perfect ang mocha cake natin sa hot coffee.
Very rich.
Pag duwa lang ni.
Duwa lang yung ang news ko.
Din kaon niya.
First star of the night, male star of the night. Congratulations, Mr. Rex Samuel. And we actually have a prize. Our stars of the night are gonna take home 1 box of our holiday cake. So it's a mocha cake, especially for you. Our female star of the night, Miss K. Yunke. Hi, Miss K. Thank you for everyone.
Bag! Bag!
Have a free stamp cards inside.
Sungod ka pa. Sungod ka pa.
It's time for a movie
For
There you go, this is the bag. And what I love about this, when you open do you have? Oh, we are the same. Kasi pag limited edition, palit tayo. So, hindi tayo palit. Okay. Thank you. Of course, we have, sir. Congratulations! Congratulations! Don. Hello! Yay! Sir Noy! And of course, the star of the night! And we have here the star of the night! Andrea! With the gang! Hello! Hello! Yay! Si Ma'am! Ga-follow siya. Ano galing mo name, Ma'am? Andrea! Thank you so much! Ikaw, ga-follow ka man?
Of course.
Thank you.
Pusher, pakakila ko follower. Pusher. Thank you.
Did you hear the news?
What?
May food pag-hit for takeout?
Uy, swappy ah.
So pwede na eh. Take out.
Ay, sorry po.
Namitila no. Namitila mo kake. Tapos, dogalaway na ko sa ilang. Agi ng prepare. They got sandwich over here. It's so manamit. Look at that. Yay! There you go mga kabangba. Thank you so much to our CBTL family. Kailangan din kami lokatong branches. Sige, Sir Prince, ha?
Yan pro, Avida Tower.
Avida Tower. Kaya nakikita natin sa akin, Sir El. Ayun. So there you go. We are from Festival and Avida. Sa Tagayarilan, get Sir Prince, Sir El, at syempre si Sir Jay. Thank you so much! On CBTL here at Avida. Atria.
Subscribe to Z St. KP Lino. Stay tuned for that. There's lots more cars. Daming cars. Basta. Drinking nose.
Yeah, hindi ka magtawa. Subscribe, making notes, and of course, be inspired. Bye!
Bye bye everyone.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Ruby Inspired!